Welcome back. Now you can also output your content into a flyer. And so what you can do is you can write in flyer into the search. You'll see a suggested link. You'll click that link. It's going to bring you into your canvas. What Canva is going to do is it's going to bring you into an area where you're going to have templates that are suggested for you to print off into flyers. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose one of these templates. You would then edit your flyers, and then you can click this button that says Print Flyers. Now obviously you can print this flyer and have it created through Canva, but what you can also do is you can download the document and download it as a standard PDF document. You're going to click this download link. What you're going to do is you're going to print this as a PDF. And you can print this as a high quality multi-page document. Image has premium images. So what we're going to do to walk through this process is we're going to pick a template that does not have premium images. And so basically all you would do is click this download button. Canva is then going to prepare the design, and then you're going to have a high quality PDF. You're going to save that PDF to your hard drive. You're then going to open up that PDF. You'll then have it available